So this is Nhemamusasa. This is where we're taking that low line that like happens on the mbira, and then the last note of each phrase you drop it down a fifth. So that melody. So it goes down to the A, the first three phrases, goes down to the G, the fourth phrase. And the reason I explain it to you that way instead of just like showing it is I want you to really be thinking of that as an individual melody line. So the whole thing together with that. So by doing that drop, the melody has shifted where it starts, right? Like this is an ascending bass line. So now it's going. See what I mean? So it's that cyclical nature of the music where your right hand, or on the mbira, the high melodies are kind of like they're always starting in that point in the cycle, but now you have that so you have like the low line has a melody that's now starting in a different place of the high line.
Got it.
It's fucking rad.
All right.